Kaizen?
Kaizen is a Japanese term that translates to continuous improvement. It refers to a business philosophy or practice emphasizing a continuous improvement of processes, products, or services through incremental changes. Kaizen involves everyone in an organization so that their collective power leads to steady improvement. It believes that small, ongoing positive changes can result in significant improvements over time. It's a continuous journey of teamwork, personal discipline, and high morale. Isolated short-term events may lead to a shallow and short-lived burst of excitement. Well-implemented Kaizen fosters a culture of ongoing development and employee empowerment, leading to sustainable success and growth.